Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to turn into an uptrend, probably like that. I think it's going to go up and take out these highs, make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. So, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think it's very clear this is an uptrend, probably a wave 1. I think this is an A, B, and C, probably a wave 2. We do have a pretty good break up right at the 38%. It potentially could be the very early stages of the beginning of this wave 3. Eventually go up and make that 3, 4, and 5 like I showed on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I still have it labeled as an ABC because it very easily still could end up being a crescent to this last push down. But like I was saying on the weekly, if it really is the end of a crescent, then this will go up. It may bounce off some fib levels, but it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. If it really is a crescent, then I think it will go up more, but then you'll see a nice clear break of structure to the downside, proving that it is a crescent to this downtrend, and at that point we would exit our longs and start looking for shorts again. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I am for sure looking for longs. It does kind of look like 3 waves down, 3 waves up. So I am definitely looking for longs. Like I said, it really doesn't necessarily have to stop right here. It very easily could go down to a lower Fibonacci level. So until I see a confirmation that it's over with a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside with a break of structure, I would actually probably still be looking for shorts on the shorter time frames, even though primarily I would be looking for longs because this right here most likely is a correction to the uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have a little bit of a break forming. So far, it really hasn't held above structure very well, but for me, if it does hold above structure, I would say it's probably the end of an ABC, and I would go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't hold above structure and it actually rejects this structure right here and goes back down, then I would be pretty obvious that the market has not ended this ABC correction and that we better continue to look for shorts until we get a clear break and hold above structure. So as long as you pay attention to your structure, pay attention to your higher time frames, you should be okay. And really, I would continue to look for shorts until we get that clear break and hold above structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.